Welcome to the future Seoul 3000, a city where the future is no longer imagined, it is lived. From the soaring heights of its skybridges to the vibrant pulse of its streets, this metropolis stands as humanity's peak achievement. Here, artificial intelligence designs the architecture. Human-guided intelligent robots walk among citizens, and above it all, flying vehicles move in silent, coordinated swarms. The civic core rises like a living organism. Towers shaped by generative algorithms reach toward the clouds. Sky bridges link entire districts, while humanoid robots guide commuters through plazas alive with digital art and real-time data. This is the administrative and spiritual heart of the city. Descend into the market districts. Stalls shimmer with holographic displays. Shopkeepers are advanced HGI robots, fluent in every language and trade. Humans navigate this seamless blend of commerce and technology, while winged smart cars weave through aerial lanes overhead, delivering goods and passengers with quiet precision. Along the innovation streets, technology becomes tangible. AI-powered shops adapt to each visitor. Robotic vendors offer custom-built devices on the spot. Holographic billboards showcase breakthroughs in real time. Here, robots and humans interact as equals, shaping a marketplace that never sleeps and a creative economy that constantly reinvents itself. The scent of the future drifts from the food districts. Robotic chefs prepare meals in AI-managed kitchens. Holographic menus float above each stall, adjusting to dietary needs and personal taste. Families gather to share cuisine crafted with molecular precision, while flying pods hover at the periphery, delivering fresh ingredients and finished dishes across the city. High above, the residential towers redefine home life. Rooftop gardens soften the skyline. Skyports line every 100th floor. AI wellness systems monitor air quality, light, and sound. Families live alongside humanoid robots that care for elders, guide children, and protect the home. Flying vehicles dock seamlessly at rooftop pads, turning the daily commute into a silent glide above the clouds. The transport nexus operates with clockwork precision. Maglev trains glide across elevated tracks at impossible speeds. Aerial taxis land and depart from stacked skyports. An AI traffic system orchestrates every vehicle, every drone, every pedestrian flow. Robots coordinate the crowds below, while humans move effortlessly from one district to the next. Never waiting, never delayed. Along the Han River, domes and floating platforms showcase eco-innovation. HGI robots act as guardians of the water and the greenery, monitoring pollution, replanting banks, and managing microclimates. Humans stroll through futuristic parks where nature and technology merge. Above, flying cars skim the river's curve, their lights reflecting off the water in silent rhythm. Commerce avenues stretch for kilometers, lined with AI-designed malls and robotic shopkeepers. Elevated pedestrian bridges allow uninterrupted foot traffic above the vehicle lanes. Every plaza is a stage for trade, for performance, for connection. Humans at their peak explore, purchase, and collaborate in a city built for prosperity. But the true pulse of Seoul 3000 is found on the ground. Market streets, food lanes, and innovation alleys are filled with humans and robots working side by side. Children play alongside automated caretakers. Elderly citizens receive assistance from gentle humanoid guides. Flying vehicles hover above, yet the heartbeat of the city remains here,